sa nga nakabgaan ra. Bakit nagini sakit sa ulo? It's hard to. Oh, it's not easy. Gentle when pulling it. Ay, kabayo. Oh, it's so big. No wonder it's so hard to pull it. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to take you somewhere special, the family land here in Bohol. We're going to explore the gardens of my cousins and enjoy the beautiful scenery of the countryside, and also my cousin Marta's going to teach me how to harvest a cassava from the ground. So let's go! This is the way to my cousin's house. So our house is just up there. You cannot see because it's full of trees. So this family land is almost around 30 hectares. There's actually a lot of beautiful spots in here, in this land. There's a cave, there's a river, there's a spring, and there's an overlooking view. So guys, this is my cousin's house, and this is Marites, and she's going to show us her garden. And saan man go? Uy, there's a bee.
Yan ay
Look at that.
Orchids banda.
Orchids banda, and there's a bee.
Iyahang bulak.
Look at the bee enjoying it.
Yan.
Uy, hala. Si Paha punta. That's really nice.
Mani ang kuan.
Muna mo mga sibuyas.
Sibuyas.
Unsa man ni? Ari ang talong. The dog are chasing the chicken. So naughty. Talong.
Mga gulay.
Ya ikaw magkuha pug ka diri ka ng mga kuan. Kanang yutan ra pud nimo.
Utan na ho.
The dogs are so naughty. The dogs are so naughty. They're chasing the chicken. I feel sorry for the chicken. Oh no. Hi!
Ayaw.
Ayaw. Stop it, Luna. Stop it.
Ayaw.
This is their kitchen. This is the real province life. So this is how they cook their food. And this is her sweet potatoes plant. It's heaps of sweet potato. Oh, they got a very big pig.
Napaisa rin.
Ilang ni kabuk daw?
Palit ko doon pero galigyan na.
Hey, they got heaps of pig. Oh my god, that one is so big. Oh my gosh. Let's come and have a look, guys. Oh my gosh, this is a really big pig. Oh my god, how many kilos is this one? Ilan ni ka-kilo gaw?
200 na eh.
200?
Ay, anay manayaan na.
Okay. Oh, okay. It's so big. And these are the babies one. Mano yung mga baby? Pila naman ni kabulan?
Tulo.
Tulo pa ni kabul?
Magtulo. Tulo.
Tulo pa ni kabulan? Kadako naman yun niya. Ay, lechon.
Di na malitso.
Ay, kay dako naman, no?
Tinta naman na.
So pila di ka bulan ra ang malechon?
Malitson, mga duha.
Duha ra kay gamay-gamay pa.
40 kilo.
Akan na siya, pwede pa na siya
Di
malitsyon.
na, po.
Pinta na ni.
Tinta.
80 na ni. So,
Ani.
puro na ni sila anay.
Dili na kanang ibaligya na siya.
Patining na siya.
Patining.
Akan na ihawon ra.
Dako naman siya.
Hindi mo siya pwede malitsyon.
Dako, di man
Palit
bal.
pa na pero mga 4 oras.
Dugay di ay. This one here, guys, is the house of my cousin Bernie, and we're going to explore his garden, and that's my uncle as well. He's around 80 years old, and there's chicken. So in here, this is his garden. So he got sweet potato as well, and pineapple, Jane's favorite. Look at those pineapple. Wow. And heaps of lemongrass. Pineapple. And okra. Look at the okra. It's so big. No? No. You get chili as well. That's ginger. His garden is really, really nice. So as you can see, he put a tire here to keep the moisture. So the plant, even he doesn't water regularly, it's still keeping the plant healthy. Really nice. Look at those leaves, it's so big. He gets also here heaps of sweet potato in here. Look at the view, guys, it's so amazing. This is where you can see the beautiful view from our house. I just don't know if we can see our house here. Yeah, so this is family land as well. I didn't grow up here in Bohol. I grew up in the city, and the life here is also new to me. Even in New Zealand, I was living in Auckland and also Christchurch, so it's largest city in New Zealand. So I haven't have really much experience the life of the in here in the province. So I haven't been here. This is my first time coming here after 2 years living here in Bohol. I haven't actually been here. It's actually so beautiful. That's how big our land is. I haven't explored this side of our family land. So this one of my cousin is planting rice. That's how he plant. That's how they plant the crops. It's for rice. So it's really a hard work here in the province, but you have a reward. You got a very beautiful view. So this is Uncle Neo again with his carabao. Isa yung ngalan tiyo? Isa yung ngalan ni mong carabao? Si Melody. Very hardworking Uncle Neo. Ah, mag-swimming sa sila.
Na.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
That's Melody.
Ligid. Da, bali. Da. Na.
Dapat ikaw da. Nanaan mo ni.
Oh. Da.
Saan na siya?
Iyang pagkuan ka na.
Ingit man. Di napukan. Ingit ang kabaw.
Ah. Sorry, go on siya glapok.
Butang ang lapok. Ubok ko.
Hmm.
Dato na to. Di.
Hmm. Isa siya tibok adlaw na siya dire dili pod. Aso na siya. Just to cool down for a wee bit and then
Stan.
oh. Oh, that's the other one. Oh, still enjoying the water. Hello. So, Uncle Neo is plowing the ground again because he's going to plant here corn. Uncle Neo's helping us harvesting the cassava because it's really hard. So you have to pull it from the ground. Oh, that's cassava, guys. Look at that.
Isay mo pa ito. Balanghoy. Diha. Kaya nahay. Daghang balanghoy na to.
Oh, if you want to buy some cassava, buy it from Uncle Neo. He's selling cassava. Look at, oh, it's really hard to pull it.
Pugad nga. Balanghoy.
Oh, dagko man tiyo, no?
Pugad nga balanghoy. Yellow.
Ah, yellow.
Oh,
Yellow na siya nga balanghoy.
Tag-15 ra kilo.
Tag 15. Only 15 pesos per kilo, guys. If you want some cassava, buy it from Uncle Neo. He got heaps of cassava here. Oh, you have to cut it. Kung saan na siya pag-harvest yun, ano na siya, birahon na siya sa yuta. You just have to pull it.
Sagbot na.
So, ako ni Putnon.
Putli dire.
Para. Excuse you, may go ka. Then, akong birahon.
Hindi ka na ako. Tabangan.
At kundi kini. It's so hard. Gaya, uni kayo. Uy, it's not easy, guys. I thought it's easy.
Ikaw, Tiwan.
Hindi ako.
Yan yung nabali.
Oo, inay lang daw. So, you have to be careful, gentle when pulling it. Ay, kabayo. Oh, it's so big. No wonder it's so hard to pull it. Look at that. Uy. Cassava. So, that's how you harvest cassava.
Popo na.
Uncle Leo, imong kamot nga dugo.
Ayan.
Ay, sa kuwan na diya.
Tunglay. Bato bang hait?
Ah, the grass. So, pila ni siya ka days pwede i-store tiyo? Dili madaot.
This? 3 days.
3 days. So, me and Meritus are going to carry all those cassava. Thank you, Uncle Neo.
The cassava cake.
Thank you, Uncle Neo, for helping. Thank you.
Yo, salamat kayo.
Thank you, Uncle Neo. So, this is how Meritus carried the cassava. And she put it on her head. And she said, it's light. Only 10 kilos. I don't know about that. So, now we're getting coconut. Martes is the ones climbing the coconut because all of the guys are busy. Be careful. Mahulog ka diya, gaw. Mahulog ka. Ako daw, gaw. Ako daw. So I want to try it too, guys. How to get a coconut. I haven't climbed a coconut tree before, but I will try. It's not so high. I will try it. I hope I'm not going to fall. Okay. Halak ka. Halak. Asa man ang sudan mo? This one. Okay. Oh no. Ano? Minsan kang sakit. Sakit mo na yung kabayo. Okay. Ano? Ano? Oh, this is my first time getting coconut. Oh, it's not easy. Getting there. Ah! Ah! Another one. Guys, it's not easy getting coconut. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. It's hard to. It's hard. It's hard to. Oh. Oh. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm okay, guys. I'm fine. I'm not. As you see, guys, it's not easy getting coconut. Marta's carrying the coconut now, and also the cassava. So this is what I'm saying about the overlooking view here in our land. It's really beautiful here in the countryside. Look at that. It's so beautiful. So I will try to carry the cassava and also the 2 coconut. I put the cassava on my head and while carrying the 2 coconuts. Let's see. Ana, like this? Nakabugat mo diyan. Temsa. Nga, nakabgaan ra. Bugat lagi ni sakit sa ulo eh. Oo. Okay. Oh. Temsa ha. Okay. Balance, guys. You have to balance. Oh. You have to balance. Oh, I hope I will break all the cassava. Oh, it's not easy. Oh. Okay, ikit mo tingala ka mahulog. Kayo. And we're going downhill now. Going to Uncle Leo's house. Balay. So this is how Marites peel the cassava. That's how she do it. Grate the cassava for making a puto and also a suman. So suman, guys, we put it in banana leaves with coconut meat. So it's really nice. Marta's here preparing for the wrapper for the suman. That's how she do it. This is how she do it.
Unyog lagi rin. Wala ka rin po. Ano ko? Ang disya ko.
I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Martha's the closet. I'm tired. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. Guys, I'm still practicing, okay? So let's count, guys. This one is that's the second one, guys. I'm trying. Oh no, I'm wasting the time. Next one. This is the third one. Please don't touch me.
Meron dili ma. Tampuan sa.
Finally, guys, we already cooked our suman. And we're going to eat it now.
Very cute. Limo.
So this is what it look like. Our suman. Our homemade suman.
Wala. Mukhang wala doon. Kami makakatiyo na kayo.
Ano ako?
Mana? Hindi ba? Naak ka nang na. Ato na.
Thank you for watching, guys. Welcome to the Philippines. Bye!